Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good Wednesday morning to you. Thank you so much for starting off your day with us here on Sunrise. The time now is 4:45. Already this morning in the northern half of the WCBI viewing area, we have already been dealing with some showers and storms, while the southern half has just been overcast and dry. But over the next 12 hours, it's going to be a completely different story, as we are expecting a significant severe weather event to be affecting us. We're already dealing with some scattered showers, even thunderstorms this morning, especially over the northern half of the WCBI viewing area, where about an hour ago we had a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Pontotoc, Yalobusha, Calhoun counties, as this cell was pushing to the north into the east. Now just to the north of Tupelo and Fulton into Lee County and into Itawamba County, we are seeing those lightning strikes, some heavy downpours, and some gusty winds with this. This is not the main event. I want to stress this. We are still 6 to 12 hours away, and we are getting all the right ingredients in place for this severe weather event to happen. We have a very unstable air mass. We have a lot of warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico bring in that moisture into the area. We have a lot of wind energy, and we have that wind shear that is going to allow for that lift to occur and allow for those showers and storms to really get going, especially once we get that daytime heating from the sun in the afternoon. Now we have this warm front that's lifting to our north this morning. That is what's been sparking the showers and storms across the region, especially in our northern counties. Temperatures are in the 60s, dew points are in the 60s, so we have this soupy atmosphere already in place in terms of this warm, moist air mass coming together with this warm front lifting to the north. We have a cold front to the west. As this cold front approaches us with the cold, dry air mixing in with that warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, that humidity, that is what's going to spark some supercells possibly ahead of the cold front. And those are the supercells that we're going to have to watch very closely as we head into the afternoon and into the evening hours. Because of how high this risk is, we're already under a level 4 to level 5 risk of severe weather across North Mississippi and West Alabama. It includes all our counties here in the WCBI viewing area with all modes of severe weather likely. We want to make sure that you are prepared, you are ready to go with this severe weather event. Make sure your NOAA weather radios are working properly, and if you haven't done so, please download the WCBI app. These could be multiple ways you can get those watches and warnings, and it could save your life later on today. Here is the latest hour-by-hour forecast. We think there's going to be kind of a lull in between the storms this morning and the storms this afternoon. As you can see, it's just picking up overcast skies, maybe a few light rain showers heading into midday. About 2 o'clock, that is when we're expecting those supercells to start developing ahead of that cold front. And then these are the supercells, again, we're going to have to watch very closely. Then as the cold front approaches us, there's going to be another line of some severe storms that's going to push through here. After midnight, the severe storms should start pushing off into Alabama. We'll have more quieter conditions as we head into Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend before we see another chance of showers and storms on Tuesday.